Okay, so guys, I just bought a new microphone for the channel that I can actually use with the phone I'm using to record. My bad if I'm a bit, my voice is a bit rusty. It's because I'm sick, but I wanted to make a video to show you guys that I bought this microphone and oh shit. If I known they were so far, you can't see shit. So, bought a DJI Mini 2 wireless. It comes with a receiver, but I didn't use it for this time. I guess it will sound even better with a receiver, I'm guessing. There's a bit more adjustability also. But with the phone, if you are in pro video mode, you can actually be connected to a wireless device for sounds. So it's a good thing that they have this feature. Now I'll be a bit easier to hear because before I heard people say in the comments a couple of times that I wasn't loud enough. So here's my answer to that. Now I should be a bit louder. Oh, they patched this road. Interesting. Before it was really bad. Still is bad, but like at least there's no like craters. I was right now I'm in the South Shore. I was there for a exposition that I'll be showing the video of me going there this morning. And now it's evening. I went there really like 11 a.m. or something until 6. I'll see when I cough if the sound level is okay also. Because I don't really know what these microphones are. From what I heard, I shot a little clip of me. And from what I heard, it sounds like it's doing really well with the high-pitched and loud noises to like tone it down. I also have like the windscreen. I could honestly remove because there's no wind right now. To be honest, like, I can remove that. To be honest, like, there's no point. Should be good now. The little windscreen is like a little fluff ball. Everything's magnetic, which I really like because the magnets on this are really strong. It takes quite a bit to like mess it up, you know. You can put this microphone under a t-shirt or like, and it will still pick up from what I heard before on other people's channel where they use these microphones. They're really good. Just that you need to be aware, like me, I have my car that's linked up to this phone. So when I started recording, it wasn't picking up on my microphone. It was picking on the cars, even though the car doesn't have any like system for microphones like on video. So, but this seems to be pretty good from what I heard on the little replay I did. And it was $90 for a receiver, a single microphone, and it comes with a clip for your t-shirt or your hat, depending on what you want. It also comes with a magnet thingy that you can use to charge stuff. Other like goodies, different covers for the microphone to make it look cool. So I'm really happy with this purchase. I think it's gonna be really good. At least you'll hear me. At least like that's the point. Because I bet there's nothing more annoying than hearing someone talk in a video and not hearing them, even if it's not interesting what I'm saying. It's like, it's annoying. Like, I get it. So here it's like a boat ramp. Everyone can park their boats on the left. Other trailers pick up with trailers after they drop the boat or something. They can go park there afterwards. I really like this place. It's just that I live in Montreal North, so getting to the South Shore is quite complicated. If you decide to go on Jacques Cartier, the bridge to cross, it's quite far from Montreal. It's quite far, so it's like, it would be the best option, like I did today. I used the bridge, but technically for me, what's the closest is the tunnel Louis H. Lafontaine. That's the closest thing. But now that's like later in the evening, I'll cross with the tunnel. There's gonna be a bit less traffic, I would think. Now that I'm thinking about that, I'll check right now, because we'll see. Wow, it says 42 minutes. Holy shit. I didn't know it was 40 minutes to go back home, but it says 42 minutes without any traffic, so, because there's nothing at this moment. Like, this road is so fucked. They patched it a bunch though, but like, should just redo it. Like, here it's like beautiful. Like, all of this here, like the houses and whatever, all of that. Like, the river here, the mountain. Just the roads that are really ugly. It fucks up the background. Like, a lot of people boating also here, like, really popular. Around here in Boucherville, where the islands of Boucherville are, like, there's a bunch of people hanging there, usually drinking, whatever. Typical stuff. I'll lower the window to see if the noise from outside really affects the microphone or not. This is without the windscreen, so we'll see. You can hear birds chirping and stuff. That's what I enjoy the most, when it's early in the morning and I go to car meets and you can hear the birds chirping and stuff, and everything comes alive. It's like, so nice. Also the smell of trees, and every year when it's winter I miss that. I don't think there's much wind coming in the car on the microphone, but we'll see in the video. I won't stay like this for too long, because I don't want to have all the audio messed up if it's not good. But yeah. Here they redone this road, I think. The asphalt looks much better than it was before, I think. Pretty sure. Here we can see Mont Saint-Hilaire, Mount Saint-Hilaire. Beautiful mountain. You can hike it up if you want. Although it's limited in terms of how many people can go. I don't know really why, but that's what I heard. Is that there's a certain limit of people it can have. I don't really know why, because it's a mountain, like it's huge, but it's not a really big mountain. It's probably like 500 meters or so. But when I had my Q50, I was always coming here. It's so nice to take pictures, like here on the side. It's a beautiful place. It really is. Even where I were this morning, you'll see the videos probably of that in Chambly on the main road. It's so cool. Like, it resembles a coastal village, like, which is kind of is, but not at the same time, because it's not really on the border of a sea or ocean or anything. It's just I don't know what's there. I think it's just a big lake that connects to the St. Lawrence, I think. So it connects to a really big, like, pool of water, but it's not really big. The Saint-Hilaire, not the Saint-Hilaire, but the Chambly area. It's a lot more expensive and stuff. I might come this summer one day to come around here and spot cars and see, like, find a spot where I can just sit and, like, see what I can find in terms of nice cars. Big truck, but doesn't know to follow his lines. Here there's like a marina. You might see it with the camera. I'm not sure. Marina and bar down by the water. Really cool spot. You can also rent pontoons and whatever. It's like really cool spot. And these lights are bright as fuck. Cars now are like really bright, man. This cop just went over the sidewalk to turn. That's kind of funny. No fuck given. bike. One nice restaurants here, hot babes. It's a bit more bougie here. Restaurants here are really nice. They have a view over the Richelieu River, but they're really expensive for what they are. Like, the food is average. To be honest, it's not that impressive. Like anywhere in the world, it's not really where people are coming in to visit that really you find the best restaurants or food or whatever. It's often like some random place, little local gems. Enjoying the sunset. This is what it looks like. It's stunning. People are just sitting down on the grass and enjoying an evening. They do light shows here over the river. Each year they do that. Yeah, a bunch of people. Two boats are racing. They were both like racing. It looked like. I wonder if Tim Hortons will be open. That's my concern. I want an ice cap. That's the thing. Give me an ice cap. Timmy Hortons. Et me, por favor. Hoping like 1.6 kilometers from here. It's closest. I hope it's the one I think. Nope, it's not. Fuck my life. It's closed. The one on the side of the highway is closed, and the other one is open. Like, bro, I'm gonna go to the one that is open. Of course, I will settle for a Tim Hortons or nothing. This guy is going slow. Holy shit. They changed the limit to 30 and this guy is like on a mission to keep it at 30. I should switch to my nighttime lights because right now I'm on daylight. I'll even like I don't remember the name when you take a tissue and sneeze or whatever. Sorry if it was loud. And if it wasn't, it's because the mic is doing a good job. So I'm testing this thing, and I'll hear it back on my computer. That way I'll have the most exact representation of how it sounds, and then I'll decide how I tune the microphone, if I put it louder, quieter, if I can do other things to make it better. I'll check all of that. Fucking road, man. Okay, next stop or light, I'm not sure. Should be there. Apparently it's open until 10 p.m. Oh, there's even gas here. I could fill up the car and stuff. I think I'll do that. Yeah, I'll be back.